I'm on a waterfall hike today. Hetch Hetchy Reservoir is in the northern part of Yosemite. The hike begins by crossing a dam. Construction of this dam was the first great environmental controversy in the U.S. It took an act of Congress to build the dam. At the far end of the dam, the trail enters a tunnel. That's our destination. Hetch Hetchy is stunning. Waterfalls add natural action along the trail. The trail twists among patches of grass and wildflowers. This reservoir water is exceptionally clear and high quality. Magical mists drift on gentle breezes. The creek flows across granite slabs in uncounted paths. Wow, what a colorful lupin! Not far to Wapama Falls now. The bridges can become impassable during spring runoff. This is a one-of-a-kind 5-star hiking adventure. We appreciate you. Please subscribe. Want more information? Go to hikingthegolden state.com.